Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Alright everyone, your girl is back on, and today is a sponsored video, and it's sponsored by, I think it's called Aka Shoes or AKA Shoes. I'll put their name right here. They're sponsoring today's video. They sent me over a pair of Nikes to review and share with you guys and give you my thoughts and everything like that, what I think about it. So first of all, I'm going to do an unboxing of the shoe and show you how the shoe came and how it looks and all that good stuff. Okay, here's the box it comes in. We're going to open the box. And this is how our shoes is packaged inside. Okay, the shoes come with two laces, one in white, that you could lace up your shoes all white, and you also get a blue pair of laces. You could lace them up with all blue. And here's a look at each shoe. So let's just take a little closer look of what we're dealing with. This is inside. And this is the side here, and has a little logo here, Air Jordan. It feels nice. And then we have the Nike here on here. This is how the back looks. And the bottom. I think they look very nice. And now I'm just showing you how they look on my feet. And they are nice and comfy. Like I said before, they feel nice and comfy on my feet. Alright everyone, so that's how the shoe looks. Doesn't it look nice? And I think it looks really nice on my feet. It's my first time having high tops. Yeah, it's my first time with high tops running shoes, and they are a little awkward for me because I have to loosen them all the way up. Like right here, I have to loosen them all the way up and then put my feet in. So that was something different for me, but I like them. So here's another look at the shoe. And here I have it with the white lace. Remember they came with the blue and the white lace? So here's the white lace. And again, here is the blue lace. Doesn't it look nice? And I like that you have the option to do either one, or you can even wear it like this. One of each color in each running shoes. I've seen people do that. This way it looks nice also. Yeah, but I like the running shoes. It's very nice. Another close-up look of the running shoes, and it has the Nike sign inside. Nike Air inside. I'm not sure if you can see that too good, but it's a Nike Air logo inside, and of course on this part also. And over here they have the Air Jordan little sticker thing here. But they are nice and they're well stitched. It looks very professional and nice. And the bottom, that's how they are on the bottom. I really like these running shoes. They're very nice. And like I told you, it's my first time with the high tops, and I really like how they fit. Nice, snug, and cozy. I have problems with my feet. I get a lot of swelling with my feet and stuff. So when I wear runners, it hides that fact from me, which I love, you know. And then they look nice and classy when I have on my outfit. I love it. So I'm going to leave the link below to AKA shoes so you guys can go over and check them out. And I have a discount code for you guys too. So I hope you go on the site, see what they have, and if you decide to get something, use my coupon code and save yourself a few dollars. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the review I have today with these nice Nike running shoes. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.